Hi, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for attend the Esty.Love in-person event last night. I just want to walk you through on how you can use the in-person app and how you can connect with other member. So as you can see, my email that I received on the 21st, this one, your Esty.Love profile. You should receive the same email, and when you go in there, you see the link for your Esty.Love profile that you went to. In this case is was yesterday, and I can visit my profile here. So if it's your first time, you would have to answer the 5 mandatory question like I am a woman in my case, what am I looking for, what is my preferential, and there are only 5 questions. So when you finish all the 5 questions, you can click on any, you see like the little two people icon next to I am a woman here. If I click in it, I can see everybody that are in the database, and I can filter by a man. And let's say I went to the event with number one. I knew him in person. I can click in number one and visit his profile. And I can read about what he put here on the questionnaire. And I can say that, oh, I would love to, you can check or uncheck any of the thing that you saw in here. So I like this person. I definitely have a crush. I want to have a video call and I want to chat with this person, right? So you see the home button up here when I go back home, and you see the little 3 heart on the right here. When I click on it, I see that one is also my mutual match. We have the same crush. We also want to talk to each other. And in the bottom, you see we have the chat button, and I can click in there and I can say hi. Nice to meet you. Yeah. So and then we can send. So one thing that is a bit that you make it lost here is when you want to go back to your profile. You see like the arrow on top. If I click there, it bring me back to my email. So we're gonna put a home button here so that you can go back to your home profile. So from here, I would have to click on the link again, go to visit my profile, and again I go to the little 3 heart here. And if I go all the way in the bottom, I can see who that I go to the same event with, that I went to the same event with. So in this case, I am a host and I met a lot of people, right? But in your case, you must remember who, which event you went to, and we will send you an email with all the number along with the name of who you went to at the same event, so that you can go to the person profile. So in this case, the person haven't answered the 5 mandatory questionnaire yet, so his profile is blocked at the moment. You can always send us an email, and we are more than happy to send your message to this person. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.